Udukhat ka kinhun menteri ubaran ikton lingdot tongkar. Ubalalong ru usong knor jongki regional committee ki barim na kabenta ka West Khasi Hills. Hakasngi ningkong ulaong ba kabenta ka bakongsan kalong ban shimkia bat kenkor shwa ya kamon bat ka jingsngo jongki nongsong shnong ka thain kaput hakapor ba pinbet ya kabenta ka baar jong ka jingya kaja kaput bat ka jala Assam. Da ka bakadaw ru artat ba ka sarkar MDA kalapan ya ka jingslur bat ka jinglong ka baklo jong ka ban pinbet no yakini ki jing ki belane la palat sanposnam utongkhar ula kentait ru ban pediang ba ka jela Meghalaya kla rem ha ka benta ka beningkong bat ula benrap ru ba anamla dalelei ru bandan ka jingya pinbet biang na dong shadong bun ngut kinong song shnong ki ba shong basa hakin riutli ki jaka bladep ban pinbet ha ka benta ka beningkong kidang yai beteng ban persya jor ya ka dorkhas jong ka jingya sngutu jingmut lani ke MOU balaya soi hapneng kini ki artli ki jela ha ka art khandai trek jong uluber haringkat ka jingya don lang jong menteri katnat ki kampo ing jong kari u Ahmad Shah hanong ba New Delhi kila pen pauru ba ki kwa ban yakren bat yatai sani biang sasisien halor kini ka dorkhas.
We want to see that those people staying in those villages, they will be happy. As long as they are happy, our settlement may not be termed as successful, because we want to have this settlement to ensure that people residing in those border, they will be happy and they will feel secure.